In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Custom Game Pass in Ability Wars. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your own ability in Ability Wars. You can do this if you purchase a specific Game Pass. So before going down on the arena, if you are on the lobby, you can find this pedestal here. If you don't own the Game Pass, it is just going to be transparent with nothing on it. But if you click on it or you go over to the store, you will find the option to purchase it. So the custom Game Pass allows you to make your very own custom ability, which means that you can make a unique ability to you, however you prefer. So first, you will have to purchase it for 400 Robux. Once you have purchased this Game Pass, if you go over to this pedestal here, you will see the word customize, and you have to click on customize on the lobby before going down to the arena. Sadly, on this account, I don't have the Game Pass, but I'm still going to teach you how to do it. So if you click on customize, you will be taken to another location where you can make your own custom ability. So basically, you will be able to change your U and Q ability to make it so it's either a self-inflicted effect or a projectile. So an example here would be the drill projectile. It summons a drill projectile that charges up before flying forward, penetrating through walls. So this ability allows you to kill enemies through walls. There are a lot of other effects, so as you can see, you have beam, prisma, split, rain, disc, explode, and bolt. Sadly, because of the nature of this video, I can't show you every single one on screen and how they work. Some of them will do damage, for example drill, while others will just give you some sort of bonus or effect that you can use to your advantage. For example, the rain cloud deals no damage, however it is going to summon a rain cloud above you. This is going to apply the soaking effect, and you will be able to use it to your advantage. So to keep it simple, you purchase a Game Pass, you click on the pedestal after you have purchased it, and this will allow you to customize the ability to your liking. There are various different combos that you can use, and I recommend checking out the wiki if you want some suggestions. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Custom Game Pass in Ability Wars. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.